pull it back. Just gotta pull it back.
That thing's got some serious kick. No one thing, I wouldn't want to be breaking into your house with that gun.
Oh no. Once they hear that sound,
They'll shit their pants right there.
there you go. He's getting that whole thing down. You got more. Oh yeah. Should have about 7 rounds in there.
You can't shoot shotguns where we were?
What was that?
You can't shoot shotguns where we were?
No.
What's that?
Just the way that the frames are.
Yeah.
I think you can, but it's got to be a slug.
Okay. Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. The guy.
Yeah.